Leccionista, would you like to know how good your Spanish really is? Well, say no more. Cory, the examinator, is here to put your Spanish to the test. Hola caracoles y bienvenidos a Spring Spanish. Yo soy Cory, una de las profesoras. Me ha contado un pajarito that you like being tested on your knowledge of Spanish, or at least many Spring Spanish students have been requesting it in the comments. Y como tus deseos son órdenes, we have decided to give you another Spanish test today. The rules are simple. You get 10 questions about the language, culture, and some fun facts. If you get 6 out of 10 correct answers, you pass. If you scored 8 out of 10 or up, you're a pro. And if you get a 10 out of 10, then I'd applaud you and reverencias para ti. One more thing. For each question, we have an in-depth video explaining the topic or the rules behind it. In case you'd like to watch it after finishing the test, you will find the links to the videos in the description. ¿Estás listo? ¡Comencemos! Pregunta número 1. El blanc se celebra el 1 de noviembre en México. Día de los Muertos. Pregunta número 2. Las películas de superhéroes blanc mucho. Me gustan. Gustar works a bit differently in Spanish. The literal meaning of the verb gustar is to be pleasing. So in Spanish, instead of saying I like superhero movies, we say I'm pleased by superhero movies or superhero movies are pleasing to me. Pregunta número 3. Blanc, manzanas están dulces. Las. Recuerda que en español we use el for masculine and singular and la for feminine singular. For plural feminine we say las. Pregunta número 4. En esta casa, blanc, aire acondicionado. No hay. In Spanish, the verb haber can be used in its existential form to mean there is or there are. In this case, there is not. Pregunta número 5. Mi primo, blanc, una escuela. Trabaja en una escuela. This is a common way to talk about your job, using the verb trabajar. See the preposition en? That's the preposition you use in Spanish to indicate where you work or what you do for a living. Pregunta número 6. He estudiado blanc las 7 de la mañana. Desde. Desde is a preposition used as the English word since to express duration. Pregunta número 7. Estoy blanc bien. Muy. I bet this one was tricky, since this is often confused with the word mucho. Learn the chunk muy bien by heart and you will always get it right. Mucho bien will never be right. Pregunta número 8. Ayer, blanc, a la playa con mi familia. Fui. Fui is used to talk about the verb to go in the past. Pregunta número 9. Cierra blanc porque tengo frío. La ventana. Pregunta número 10. Now an easy one. Mi comida blanc es la mexicana. Favorita. All right. So, how many did you get right? Tell me your score in the comments. Now, are you ready for your next test? Paulísima got you covered. In her test, you will have a second chance if you did not pass this one, Or if you passed, show off your Spanish skills and try to get a high score again. Click the image that just appeared on screen and it will take you directly to her Spanish test. Adios!